barakurongo murimwe akane cyakoze urumusoro kwihago yetekereza ninga n'urumukasi tukagamba twagezayo twakugira bashashure nini anga bashashure emewe mukozerene kuruje gukora research nijabo kamushashura no kazomwe kumeza yagana hati wereba nabo kwabo n'ukundwa yakira abana kuzakuba kuza n'abashija bakuru hati umuntu ngo kamushashura umwana yaranye cyo umushija wabashekire okaniwe uriyo ukorera ibyo mwenapimwe tutarukubasha kuzizobere ikintu twakoze cyubasi nawe mukama maherezo mucisha aho kuba kino kubasa kubara emirimo yo mukasi uburunjo bwo mukasi ebyo mukasi arukora ngo wabishobora wabezayo nabecho mwe baba witwe izoba tubakuza kandi tubasiba n'ingero yo kuze ese kabonire etabi makazi bishwe kabonire namo n'abashije batanu kandi cyo mwari yo mukoro turwishu bibi kugira ngo tubenye tubatera umuhimbo izoba rubonere kunji kabete cyane cyo cyabakazi cyoka mucyarwamo cyo kurebera bashisha nabito tuyabashisha bafana n'abashomeza mu kureba amargati barahariya n'abandi mwe bari nimwe ubisha ushagatira bakazaba kureba kwizo bagabo yabonera kandi binetata ikinde mumanyure tunguke tukureba ebyinji bitwetorire byinji n'urukombe rw'abakasi mukora abo mushisha urumka yawe uyu mukasi koko kumurebo cyo ubero manyango eka yawe teine tunguka kandi teine cendo no kwako inesete zo kwingana chi no kwako irobeje ko kwingana chi koko mukasi no sindisakati kechere ubero manya mutaro chango icho kuzakwegasa kandi twera ko kumutureba nino ko kumureba mushitabere mushireje munenganeka taro umuntu kubasa kunenganeka taro umuntu kubasa kuba mani inyuma y'akari umukasi nani no munyani ndecheta reba nabana mkono ganda manywe mayitu anyabakasi bama witwe abatusire okaro sasi twendri nyona fara twine bama witwe kandi erizobe n'umunana riyagire pasite ya mama mwene rizo tumenya nani zakubanya kurimwire akakande naza kuzemyaka ishaje nena yo mwene ushagara chumuro chirojo mikuru abamawito bona bajuru bagaragesechi tubashagire kama abachire umukama w'inguru twine abakazi binji abagemansi umbyaroko ati bogire bw'amashomero abana baheze kumurka konkani nenda teka mukazoko ajiniba koki batakuta mamani ngo mukazoko nasiba nakoreme muyabizoba mwabana be bazomwishumira twine yemansi nyinji z'abakazi abo takumanya ninga batakumanywa bonka abariyo bakora ibyo kurangaza omwaka kitoko amirimo yitwetaremwe nemwe nobahakonkerezia kechi zokushaka na medikeme muniki konkereziyo yakorwa bakasi ninga noza kushaka netongore bindi bicheka kunojo misho abo kwatebebe kumukasi mwebu abakazi mutuyeleza amasiko mwene kutuligo mwaka kwechesimo mwaka kwa masiko mumutera amasiko mutuyeleza amasiko baganda akata mushisha no umugongo akata no mwe umchiyo wizere kwishaka nyuma akasisi Menareva, twabe tunyawanyuma kisaba kaznabi, ko kaki bakambesha bakazibagabire bakosere. Ai, muri bitata bakundu. Imwe bakazimwe. Numutera masiko abakaganyu, numutera masiko ababa betorire, baheza kwetegereza no kumanya umugasho ko mukasi. Nubwe bagize kwikukamisho kandi urukaza hari akaheba ikitinwa bano bishobora kubaza etwahura ebyaruga omukitabe ebikwatirinde n'obwiro obw'ekisibo turumu okogenda n'okukwata abantu n'okubatunga orukumu n'okugamba kubi n'ebintu byona ahabwokuba Isaya obyabire narangete Abisraeli binchi bakaba jira Ruhanga urumuntu naye koreche karwaga Ruhanga ni umuntu yaga Ruhanga no maneje kubasa kurataho narwanda nabandi okwahura nabatungor kumu nabanyage bitu by'abantu bine bice birumunonga Kile yambe ngachera mchezuwe babasi umurigangore tukabushungura mchezuwa wa mishu yona karabere bito neni Isaya aliona akapa ungu eksibo nokureba ngu twayimutuzama chebito misho twarelena kuyagomwe twashasha nawe Tware musheberwa kwa bwomwe twasheberwa nawe mwe sibe chiturumu ndikashibura bisho linetata teka aruchezu wawe wano teka aruchezu wawe niwe noba mukama nakuhereza umugisha uwahereza muchezu wawe niwe noba nokubaganaho mwe Isaya aliyo na tweta twegarure usya kandi twayegarura usya nesiyona nebaya tukawusya kutunga abana kumu takashanga ngo umukazi niwe urukugwa huryo inaka video kibile narebe wabakazi binji tubakumire batekwa okechi kubaretera batekwa niba bakrasibena ko omushisha kagamba omukazi amebero bisho mwe kwata wale cheche mwe kwata wale omjamu kwata na wakwa mushi mungu rote ndegero bisho kacha mwe kwata wale wale mmoja kutindarisa kokano kuchirango twehare ego Nyakwasa kutumutungane.
Wetu umwemezi w'abakazi mu parliament Barbara City. Nashemerwa munonga okureba ngore nyitwe babarukisha kuba nyitwe kandi oje yashire muzindaro oyachire nigoramusyeho abakazi batahi bawe kandi oshemererwe nabo. Honorable Rita Nepashira.
Bajamwizo shemerewa Mungama ni kusima no kusima umutambuzi mukuru Father Fidelis hamwe na bwana mukuru witu nabona bamushakatira na kwaya yitu okubasa kuhereza ekitambiro kya misa ezo kano muri buyingo muhango okukushakuza okubasa kushira ekitambiro kya misa kandi ruhanga twena akitwereko okugisha twereko obuhangazi akitwereko obusibuzi kutuba abakyala abamaani ebitukwenda byona ruhanga bituhereza abageni mwena batwayira muri Barasite abarwayeru n'abarwayeru ya Uganda Matters Parish mwe bari kwisha abantu bari muri Europe kwa bagambira naye fura biwaha n'okorera chingwa kerezieji nefura buzima kandi nikimanya buri muza kushemererwa chairperson uwihanga ryona kamashambu twakwakira national coordinator okay taitoni national congress okana kura wakazi wonu uwihanga nyewene banyeta atkwasa rita barika ninye MP kumane MP wa Barasite Elisoma nashemererwa okujja kubaha okujabuzaniwe habwekiro kyekikulu ekyamaanyi munonga ti mu Uganda konko munsi yono abakazi abakirwanirire abakazi abalwanirire okulabe bwito kwikaha abingi bona bitubona bakagenda kali mwenu n'erizuba twongera okubashabira kw'abakazi bona kukuba abashabira ruhanga bakire bahumura mu busingi itwe twemerire ahamabega gabo bona abizire tutakizire obuda bakuzire emirimo egi bagahumura nk'omukyala kamashango nawo wakozire ki okwagwemuri hati n'omurimo gwitu ngwiko abakiri kwisya itwe abato itwe abakiri kukura nitwe twongereho abokora emirimo y'okukora ekiri mingi emirimo y'ekereziya emirimo y'ihanga emirimo ey'amaka mwenu n'okubasiima mwebale emirimo yona eyimwe kukora esitebula nsibo kandi nitiresiyetali mwesibo tukabire tusiba tukwesha ekiki okaba kugira ngo ensi eyine kubasika okundi eyine kutakubasika ebitukutezaho emirundi mingi bituteekwa kukora n'amaanyi okwota ekitereziya ekikuhikaha erukire hale kandi nekigenda omubisho so nikimanyisa nti buli mukazi omuwuli wambere kyamazima okumu ebindi bitukulemerere konka tiwe wenka twena twine ebitutulemerera konka noyimuka ogayakuyesiga oshwara odawakasheko oshohora kusima mukama esekureba okure ebikugenda omubisho hariho bokura n'omutima gwaremeera oturo turuhanga nyewendinyebe ebizibu birebe nyakora mutima wenka ebyabandi nobotakabimanyire konka omuso omukwakwa hatarimu ebigumire nabagira kutwasire tubyama konka nokugira ngu twine omwogo oguruhanga yatubire kwese tugireberere tukiboneze tubase kutura kugye tutekwa kwiza mwebale okukwatanisa abakazi mwebale oba mutezi wanyaferirwe oba rukire mwenda oba nasharura oburo oba inohara nayanjura oba ino kwashomirwe mwebale mweterera omuba mwebale kwinjira ebikogo by'obutuma byona tukabyijuza mwebale kwomekekereza barayakamaiso batuwabo abakazi 9 hanikana tizo baryonka n'omwana basanga barimo byonkuza ubiona ko kama kazi ni tukuzirechi asa nyabara ko tateka kwa kile ureke kutina abakazi ni shikambo kimwe no mwana tutira tutarure ko taye simba okubacha ya person amibis tureke kutina abashinja baba abatwandira ndabitu n'abana bitu arabitu tubashwirwe bafaza n'abitu bakutana abana bitu bibanyanya zibikana muri batwe ureke kutina natwe rushaba kuta kusandeni mwijuza chachi bari bakora ubukiko ukabane no mwatina ekimuri kubatini sati kiriwo cyona cyo kweta ngo musigo kwebemera ukine chikaruke muchone chokweta ngo musigo kwebemera umuzechi ukine hamwe cyo kweta nechiri yobyengo tukabura nozo musasako nimama kwetile promoting asako niza yota ATMs masima insurance nayo bire basa kutuwa government ekatekaho karinchi yako kureberaho ekikukura kimwe kyakabi entebe y'abakyala nanyera asekutalo ekyo kureberaho hati tubanga ekyo kureberaho twakwatira muloka nyabala kukwagalisero kekyo kikoleki tukiyeho nomakirizalano okuwansa n'ebyokushoroza nibajja abakazi n'okusigayo kubiika sente ki n'ebibinajyana by'okusiga kukola ki sasa kwezo musemu okikomekereza ya musemu n'abasaba kristo abakazi baki oyebuza naweeki byone bikwetaaga kwebebera nebimanya halikonyine byokweka mwemundagati elizoba nakaza ja nichama mundagati sei bana bakazi kwaza kwecho kureberayo iko kuyasita hagati hawekerezea ndisho ebyo muri barasite hagati yewe bana bakazi baje ashobora basite iko cyo kureberaho hapo kigo mu mabwishi yo baje abakazi kolechi niwena nisholeso mwana tumshobero sanije nayaganisa kana kiteza batezi urabura kachiko ndimo kusa zoma ni mara wantu sinya wana mujantiro manya tuchere kachera nishe twaika mu bwi ndamya telizo ndimo kusa kachiko mwero no alire na gama kata kachiko sile na mbezo mkono tutaheze kana kana punch. Niyo tunaye nisho, tunaye nisho. Kaya kazi yasa uli mungaji. Nija asakwewe hapo kuza kachukona kana wakazi na bashishi, wakazi wakama. Ndikasho yo nisho manje, baba manjara ex officio. Atobwe kagera twamuronda, twamuta. Ndikasho mwamuze kamukana ichisi, andikura gashori. Ni muwasa yo itwanera mbayishi kino kwachi ni muwasa lokuti mwe mutakaja kwa kulo na wakati kunkani hapo na ishwara na kwenda bare basesi kwasiti mwe nyaba mwenye bakunda chimanyise ni bahereza chimanyise bari kuko mutebeji nasi nichapotea kubahereza atajoba wabia nchini chesinga ibogani mujireba imirimo gikozire ahinda kayishirego kugabesente ese bibina no muri shanje chindiriza nigenda se amagore y'inganika naho kukamwe na nibaradisa muniza kwandika abanyakore tukagendera usha kama muganga muganziyaho mukari ukino yakora ki ngo byatandika mweba
Parliament, Rita Atkwase. You can see her from far. She always has that thing on her head. But for me, I love that she's always available for people. I have been at functions, and Honorable Rita has always been there. You're welcome to Barra University of Science and Technology.
Thank you. The DJ wants to teach you some politics. You can play for 1 second. Yes. The academic registrar, Doctor, I am very pleased to meet you today. The Dean and Dr. Madison, I'm also very happy to meet you. And the Honorable Minister, for whose, anyway, by her invitation, I am here today. The Honorable Minister of Gender, Governments, please give her a hand of applause. And of course, my friend Rachel, who I have come with. I think I've also come with he calls himself, or they call him, he's a celeb. Celeb of Mbarara, Gekwaso. Today is the International Women's Day. And there is a writer who is a feminist, Emma, and gives a quote to say, what is the purpose of the revolution if we cannot dance? So I want to take a minute so that we can dance. DJ.
Hello, who I am. We are the chosen generation with a call for show His excellence.
Good afternoon. You should be more excited. The guest of honor, Honorable Rita, is here. You are extremely lucky to have her here, and by the way, I can tell you a secret. We got her on a short notice. She had to squeeze a number of things in our program and sacrifice others in order to come here for you and for us. Of course, there's nothing that is for free. Tell your neighbor there's no free lunch. We have to pay back. And paying back means that we will be committed to become women of substance, ladies of substance, to be committed to character building, to be committed to excellence and success. Do we promise that? Please join me in welcoming Honorable Rita, our guest of honor, to speak to us. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much.
Use your voice. Take up the space. Don't wait to be invited to the table, but take yourself to the table. Don't want to tell me that these girls have nothing to say. Why didn't you say it? What is the thing behind the thing that is the real thing? Do we want to answer why we didn't say anything? Even when I say, why didn't you say it, is the man who wants to tell me why you did not speak. Because this is your space today. Today you are here to celebrate yourselves. So why? Madam, you want to tell me? Should I approach you to tell me? Yeah, she's nudging. They say you nudge them to speak. So,
which is not good. There is nothing like that can happen to you when you speak what is on your heart. But we are scared to utter it out, and we keep it inside, and it hurts us. That's one thing. I am a person, I don't know how to speak in people. Like, my speech is not good. So most of the times when even I have something to say and I'm willing to utter it out, and I have the energy to do it, I fail to do it because I'm a woman. I'm looking at myself. I'm like this, like I don't know, like
clap for her. What is your name? Give them space to do certain things. Some people have never spoken because even at home they don't talk. Me, I was lucky. My father would call me, please come and attend visitors, talk, sing, and in there you release and know the public space is yours. But today is a happy day to celebrate, to reflect on yourselves. There are many good things that women can do, that women have done, that women have become. Even in the Bible. So grab the opportunity and use it. I am here to encourage you. Those who are in the skit, I don't know why they didn't want to speak. You were talking and were hearing. This space is yours. Fear nothing. You have all the intelligence. And the Vice Chancellor would be very happy to hear from you. On this important women's land, I think that's why they set up this space for you. And for us who do this work, that's why we still promote. We can have women and men space, we can still have women only space. Because there are still girls and women who still on to themselves. And yet when you go out in the world is open. They will not cluster and say this boardroom is for women only. No. It is to prepare you to do that. And we have everything we need. Education is here for us. Opportunities of leadership are here for us. Do we have a female guild candidate? Where are they? Are they here now? Where are you, female guild candidate? Oh, of course you are there, Aaron, my friend. Where are you, the female guild? Are you there? I would be happy to see you. Who is contesting? Because I know you can and you do. This space is nothing. Just pretend it doesn't exist and speak. Is there anyone who wants to give a speech? As I conclude, I give you an opportunity. Just who wants to give a speech? A woman, not a man. Oh, great. Please come. Clap for her. Please come and take the podium and give your speech. No. I want to give her my microphone. Yeah. She has a speech.